All right, so here we have Solana on the 4 hour on FTX. As you can see, we are still in an uptrend, making higher highs, higher. Well, we did make a lower low than this last low. We are being held up by the 50. So here on like the 8 hour, we're still in an uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows. Um, Looks like we're being held down by the purple region and the red region. We did get rejected from that red region. Remember, we were talking about this red region down here. And now we're being held down by this small purple region. We did break back below it, got held up by the 21, and now we're coming back up to retest it. On the 8 hour, our RSI is in the neutral median zone. We are above that signal line. We need to stay above 35.30 in order to stay above that signal line. MACD, fresh cross to the upside of the zero line. Positive momentum did decrease there for a second. Looks like we're printing another dark green bar on the histogram. Vols in BBWP's in the lower zone, and it's below that signal line. So we could, bounce around, chop around here for a minute, possibly come up, test this level on the VPVR. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Here on the 4 hour, once again, neutral median zone on the RSI above that signal line. MACD looks like it's going to come back up either for a retest or a cross to the upside. Negative momentum is decreasing on the histogram. Vol is low. BBWP is in the lower zone. We are below that signal line. Let's go down to the 1 hour, then we'll talk about the bullish and bearish cases. So here on the 1 hour, in the short-term uptrend, we are making higher highs, higher lows. And the RSI is working its way up to the bullish control zone. We are above that signal line. We're quite a bit above it, so we got some leeway. MACD, fresh cross to the zero line. Positive momentum's getting there. Looks like we're putting a light green bar, so maybe we wane for a little bit or go sideways. Vol is very low, so now's the time to pay attention. BBWP is in the lower zone. We did get above that moving average now. 21 EMA is crossing your 50 EMA, and so if these fan out, so here's the bullish case. These moving averages fan out. We break this last wick high on a 1 hour closure. Honestly, I'd like to see us get above this purple region first. We're going to actually go ahead and move this down, though. And so I'd like to see us get it back above $37 on a 1 hour closure. This RSI get into the bullish control zone. MACD continue to print dark green bars on the histogram with a strong upside curvature as your vol increases. So I'd like to see this BBWP get back into the upper zone. If that happens, I think we get up into this red region, and 43.50 is what I'm looking at. If we can break this purple zone and this last high at $39. So if we can get above $39, next stop is 43.50. That would also imply us getting in the bullish control zone. Let's talk about the bearish case. The bearish case is that we break these last lows. I would expect a small bounce from the 200, but ultimately I think we would come down to the POC point of control in the VPVR at 31.20. That would also imply that we get below this signal line on the RSI, and MACD crosses that zero line to the downside. I mean, we are coming up to a level of resistance right now on the MACD, so we'll find out what happens, come back to it. And I want this vol to increase either way. So wait for the vol to increase on your BBWP, and then we're either going to break this purple region or break these last lows. So pay attention, stay nimble. If you guys are liking this video so far, like and subscribe to the channel. And Solana looks better than others. Solana looks like it's kind of doing its own thing. It's It's not as correlated as Ethereum to Bitcoin right now. So if you're in Solana, you're probably doing pretty good right now. But it can turn around real quick. If we break these last lows, probably going to go quite a bit lower. Now, it looks like we do have some sort of W right here. Honestly, I think the probability is more than not that we get up to the 43.50 mark. We just need to break this last high. That also depends on whether Bitcoin behaves or not. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening.